Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 12, subject Biobotany, chapter 2, the name of the chapter Classical Genetics. Today, we are going to discuss about codominance. The name itself, you can easily understand the concept. Dominance, codominance. Dominance means what? One gene is dominant to other. One is dominant to other. He is dominant to other. Like that. So, codominant means at a time two different person, two of them is dominant. They are co-sisters. So, codominance is nothing but simultaneously the joint expression of both alleles in the heterozygote. Once again I am repeating, this pattern occurs due to simultaneously. The word simultaneously is very important. So, simultaneously expression of both alleles, co is nothing but both alleles in the heterozygote. Heterozygote means, what is heterozygote? Capital T, small t, this is called heterozygote. Capital T is one allele and small t is another allele. Okay. So, at a time simultaneously both alleles are expressed. Okay. That is called codominance. This phenomenon in which two alleles are both expressed in the heterozygous individual is known as codominance. Examples: red and white flowers of camellia is a type of flower, and inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin and ABO blood group system in human beings. These are some of the examples of codominance. In human beings, IA and IB are the two different alleles. So, IA and IB are the alleles of I gene. This I gene has two different alleles. One is IA allele, another one is IB allele. Children, you know very well, allele is nothing but alternative form of a gene is said to be allele. Okay. So, I gene contains two different allele. One is IA allele, another one is IB allele, and these IA and IB are the alleles of I gene are codominant, which follow Mendel's law of segregation. The codominance was demonstrated, explained in plants with the help of electrophoresis or chromatography technique for protein or flavonoid substance. So, the codominance was demonstrated in plants with help of electrophoresis technique. Electrophoresis is nothing but supply of current. Okay. Then chromatographic technique. Example: Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium subtuatum. Their F1 hybrid was tested for seed proteins by electrophoresis. So, two different plant. One is Gossypium hirsutum. How you pronounce? Gossypium hirsutum. Both the parents have different banding patterns for their seed proteins. In hybrids, the additive banding pattern was noticed. The hybrid shows the presence of both type of proteins similar to their parents. The heterozygote gametophyte means what? The genotypic. The heterozygote genotype give rise to phenotype distinctly differ from either homozygous genotype. Once again I am repeating, the hybrid shows presence of both type of proteins similar to their parents. Their heterozygote genotype is nothing but the genetic expression, gene expression. So, the heterozygote genotype give rise to phenotype. Phenotype is morphological expression. So the genotype give rise to phenotype distinctly differ from either of the homozygous genotype. The F1 heterozygous produce a F2 progeny in a phenotypic and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. The next one is lethal gene. A lethal gene, the allele which has the potential to cause death of an organism. If an allele have the capacity to destroy, which cause death of the organism, is called lethal allele. In 1907, the Bohr reported a lethal gene in snapdragon. So he is the scientist Bohr reported this lethal gene in snapdragon. It is an example for recessive lethality. In snapdragon, there are the three kinds of plants. One plant is green with chlorophyll pigment. It is marked as capital C, capital C. Plant, green plants with chlorophyll. Second one is yellowish green plants with carotenoids, and it is marked as capital C, small c. And third one is white plants without chlorophyll. It is marked as small c, small c. Clear? So the genotype of the homozygous green plant, see here the genotype, the gene expression, capital C, capital C. This is the genotype of homozygous green plant. The genotype of homozygous white plant, white means it is recessive, small c, small c. Clear? So the Arya plants having the genotype, it is heterozygous, one capital C, another one is one small c, because they are heterozygous of green and white plants. When two such Arya plant, see here, what is the genotype of Arya plant? Capital C, small c, crossed with another Arya plant. Two Arya plants were crossed. So what will happen? The F1 progeny has identical phenotype as well as the same genotype. So the identical phenotypic and genotypic ratio. So when the recessive capital C, small c crossed with capital C, small c, the two such Arya plants are crossed, the F1 progeny has identical phenotypic and genotypic ratio. When two such Arya plants cross, the F1 progeny has identical phenotypic and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. See here, the Arya plant 1, Arya plant 2. The Arya plant has the genotype capital C, small c. Here also capital C, small c. In the F1 generation, these two are crossed. What will be the F2 generation? Means one capital C, two capital C, small c, and one small c, small c. They obtained in the ratio of 1:2:1. Once again I am repeating, the two Arya plants were crossed. The phenotype, the genotype is heterozygous. These two heterozygous crossed with each other to form the identical phenotypic and genotypic ratio of 1:2:1. So one green, two Arya plant, and one is white. Since the white plant lack chlorophyll pigment, they will not survive. They destroy, they died. So the F2 ratio is modified into 1:2. There is no white, there is no chlorophyll pigment in the white plant, so it is not survive. Now the ratio in the F2 is 1:2. In this case, the homozygous recessive genotype, small c, small c is lethal. See here, this is a homozygous recessive, is white color plant, so it is not survive, so it is lethal. Clear, children? The term lethal is applied to those changes in the genome of an organism which produce effects severe enough to cause death. Lethality is a condition in which the death of the certain genotype occurs prematurely. The fully dominant or fully recessive, this is a fully dominant and this is a fully recessive lethal allele, kills the carrier individual only in the homozygous condition. Very, very important. So, fully dominant or fully recessive lethal allele kills only the carrier individual on its homozygous condition. So, the F2 genotypic ratio will be 2:1 or 1:2 respectively. The next one is pleiotropy. See here, pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is nothing but a single gene, yes, one small gene, a single gene affects multiple traits. Traits is nothing but character. One gene affects the multiple character, that is called pleiotropy. In pleiotropy, the single gene affects the multiple traits and alter the phenotype of the organism. See here, one gene alter the characters. What will happen? It will alter the character means, so total phenotype is changed, no? So see here, the single gene affects the multiple traits and alter the phenotype of the organism. The pleiotropic gene influences a number of characters simultaneously. So it influences the number of characters, 3 characters or 4 characters, etc. And such genes are called pleiotropic genes. Mendel noticed pleiotropy while performing breeding experiments with peas, Pisum sativum. See here, peas, Pisum sativum with, see here, purple flower, brown seeds and dark spot. So these are the 3 different characters, multiple characters. A single gene can alter the multiple characters. So peas with the purple flower, brown seeds and dark spot on the axils of the leaves were crossed with a variety of peas having white flower, light colored seeds and no spot on the axils of the leaves. So the cross between the purple flower and the white flower. The 3 traits for flower. What are the 3 traits? Purple flower, brown seeds and dark spot. So the 3 traits for flower color, seed color and a leaf axil all were integrated together. They crossed together as a single unit. This is due to the pattern of inheritance where the 3 traits, 3 characters were controlled by a single gene with dominant and recessive alleles. Example, sickle cell anemia. Thank you children. We will see you in the next class.